today John and I are in Port Douglas and we're just doing a little short walk. We're on the way to a place called Palm Cove. We're in far north Queensland and this is just a little stopover. We've had a coffee and there's a little walk where there's a few tropical plants near the start and it goes right around the other side to 4 Mile Beach, a pretty famous beach in far north Queensland. But you can see some lovely tropical plants here. Big heliconias there, finished flowering by the looks of it. And along the way with this pathway they have these little areas where you can stop and look at the view. So here we've got some big figs with all these roots hanging down. So through here, negotiating all the roots. Nice sound of waves crashing against the rocks. It's very windy on the other side, and not here. Some small palms lining the pathway a bit further up. We're still climbing. You might be able to hear that I'm puffing a bit as well. And there's this little clearing here. Really nice. Quite busy track today. Right, so we're back on our way down. We didn't go all the way around, only a short time. And going to show you another plant that I really loved on the way up. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so here's the plant I wanted to show you. It is a devil's ivy. But what happens is when they start to grow up on trunks and they're in a good environment with lots of water, then they get enormous leaves, and if you can see up on the left hand side here, the leaves actually become fenestrated as they get older. Isn't that amazing? And it all starts off from a tiny little devil's ivy, as you know, as a common house plant with small leaves. That's what happens out in the wild in the tropics. Isn't that great? And here we've got some garden escapees, some bougainvillea. John's disappearing through the tree roots and I'll catch up with him. And down the bottom you can see on the right hand side what looks like a young coconut palm. On the left hand side, this one here, that's a cycad. That's pretty old, it's pretty big. And you've got some assorted heliconias and all sorts of other tropical mishmash in there. And then scrolling up a little bit you can see some coconut palms. Now emerging down the bottom of the hill, there's a big park here. There's nice coconut palms again. A little beach down there. And a little bit further over, that's basically the channel behind that little beach where all the boats come out from Port Douglas Marina. And right down the bottom in the Anzac Park area, this is a lovely little vista. I'll just take you slowly around. It's lined with palms and a big grassy area. Now surprisingly the grass is actually brown here, which is really unusual. So there must be very little rain, which it is the dry season, but I thought they had a lot of rain back only about a month ago, so it's already dried out. And in the distance you might be able to see John walking between those palm trees, and you can see mountains in the distance shrouded in a bit of mist. So that's what it's like in the tropics. The rainforest literally meets the sea. Alright, so that's all for me for now. Thanks for watching, and if you like more videos like this, or you want to see some plant videos of my garden or indoor plants, then please subscribe. Bye for now.